In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wish Drop in Project Sakai. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about all of the ways in which you will be able to acquire Wish Drops and how to use them. So for you to acquire them, you have three main ways. First, by going over to any event shop. So if you go over to the Exchange page and you access Event Exchange, usually there will always be the option to acquire Wish Drops here. So as you can clearly notice, I'm able to trade event tokens, in this case 50,000, for a Wish drop. So the primary way is going to be event shops, and you can do the same if you head over to Wish Piece and Wish Jewel Exchange. As you can see, we are able to exchange 15 here. So you can choose between these options to acquire Wish drops. The last one is going to be mission rewards. So depending on the specific mission that you complete, you will also be able to acquire them. So if you browse through the list of missions, an example would be here. By going over all the way to the last mission, you will be able to get some wish drops. Now, once you acquire these wish drops, they are going to be primarily used to level up area items or character items. You can choose between both of these options, so specific items in any area or character items. So if I go over here to the decoration shop and I choose any of these, if they were level 10, I would be able to use wish drops. You can clearly notice that this is a new account, so sadly I won't be able to show you this in full and actually demonstrate the process of leveling it up. But to keep it simple, if you have a specific area item or character item that is level 10, you will be able to use the wish drops that you have acquired from the event shop, the monthly mission rewards, and the exchange to actually level it up. So once you get a character or area item to level 10, you will have the option to use wish drops. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Wish Drop Project Sakai. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.